Gage, what are you playing? You playing fetch again? You playing fetch? Where'd it go? You shot it right up. Where'd it go? Oh no, we lost it. Where'd it go? Where did it go? You lost your cube. Better find it. You can't play without your cube. What are you saying? What are you saying? Huh? Oh, look at you walking. Wasn't that something? Yeah, you walked right over there. And now you're walking right back. Oh my goodness. Look at the Gage. You're going to walk back and forth between these? Oh my gosh. Look at Gage. He just decided he's going to walk. Didn't you? All by yourself. Back and forth. You just decided you're going to walk, aren't you? Huh? Okay, walk over there. Walk over there. There he goes. There he goes. Here he comes. Oh boy. We're just going to walk and walk today. Yeah. We're just going to walk today. Yep. Here we go. No more crawling around. We're going to walk from place to place. Look at him go. Oh boy. Last Thursday we couldn't get him to do anything. Yep, there he goes. Oh boy, what a walker. Come on over here, Gage. Come on over this way. You're just going to walk and walk today. Come on this way. Come on. I'll stand here and you can walk to me. Come on. Oh, I guess we're done.